Let's dive into the problem we are tackling today. The issue at hand is related to the visualization of chart.js donut segments, where they are not displayed in a uniform direction. The first and last segments are not behaving as expected, and we need to find a solution to show rounded segments in one direction with a white border between them. The current implementation is not achieving the desired outcome, and we are here to fix it. Now, moving on to the solution provided. The key here is to utilize a custom controller called RoundedDoughnut, which is specifically tailored to address the circular deck of cards visualization challenge. By drawing half cards and focusing on filling half circles instead of using thick arcs with rounded ends, we can achieve the desired effect. The code snippet provided showcases how this custom controller can be implemented to create the rounded donut chart with overlapping segments in a visually pleasing manner. Continuing from where we left off with the solution, it's crucial to emphasize the importance of properly setting up the chart environment. By including the necessary HTML structure and linking the chart.js library, we ensure that the rounded donut chart renders correctly. The additional options and configurations specified in the code snippet further enhance the visual representation of the chart while maintaining a consistent and appealing design. In conclusion, we've successfully addressed the issue of non-uniform segment display in chart.js donut charts by implementing a custom rounded donut controller. By adopting a strategic approach to drawing and filling the segments, we've achieved a visually pleasing rounded donut chart with overlapping segments. Remember, subscribing, liking, and commenting are the keys to success in the YouTube universe. So, don't forget to show some love, and support. Your engagement is always appreciated.